Scott, Farnborough 2018, CGTech, VERICUT. You do a lot of shows around the world. However, why is the aerospace market very significant to you guys?
So, as a global number, the aerospace market for CGTech makes up about 40% of our revenue. So it's a significant area for us, so it's important that we exhibit here. We've got a lot of customers exhibiting here as well, so good chance to have a catch-up and conversations with them whilst we're here.
Now, aerospace is a big key area, as you say, but simulations are not just about one material, is it? You do offer other platforms for customers in the aerospace sector. How is that changing, Scott?
It's changing because there's less of a demand for aluminium airframe. What we see in the market these days is more of a demand for composites, balanced with titanium components, and it's all to do with efficiency of the aircraft. A composite component is much lighter than an aluminium component, and what we're seeing demand for is more automation. So therefore there's a requirement for machines, and where there's a requirement for machines, a complex machine, we have produced a solution for composites. So we can simulate the composite machine, we can simulate the adder or the layup of the composite, what we call toes. We can simulate that whole, and we have a dedicated product and solution for that. But not only simulation, we also provide a programming solution for that, so more of a CAM solution, which is a bit different for CGTech because we've not really done that in the past, but we're all about niche solutions, Mark, and that's what we have.
Now, additive manufacturing is a big part of the aerospace market as well as other sectors. However, you do offer other opportunities and other products for this market, don't you?
Yes, we do. So additive is really to complement the core brand VERICUT. And if we take that back to what VERICUT's all about, that is to eliminate prove out on the machine. So it's important we're simulating the whole process from start to finish. Now, if additive is part of that process, we need to offer that as part of our solution. So we actually can interrogate the layup process as well as look at it, report any errors, if there's any gaps in the process as well. So we've developed a solution, we're ready to go with that. We just need the market to come forward with it a little bit in terms of sales of machine tools, and I'm sure the sales of our module will then will come after.
So really what you're saying is that in reference to the aerospace sector, you know, they're cutting or making different parts and cutting different parts for the actual aircraft itself, and it's not necessarily just in aluminium. So you're really sort of offering solutions to machine tool companies and users of machine tool companies based on the different products that the aerospace market is demanding, not necessarily just on material.
It's definitely not on material, no. We're providing a solution for everything. Think about force as well. So as harder metals come into the market, we spoke about titanium before, that's a lot tougher to machine than aluminium. But the volume, the quantities are still remaining. So companies need to be smarter, they need to cut them materials just as quick and as efficiently as the aluminium components. So force will nicely optimize that process. It's a tougher material, but force will make that process, that cutting process, a lot easier and efficient.
So when you look at the aerospace sector, I suppose Farnborough brings in subcontractors, OEMs, but also you can network with the machine tool companies exhibiting here as well.
Yeah, absolutely. While we're here, yeah, there's no doubt about that. We'll be doing that this week.